Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and every garage or workshop needs to have a tire inflator and an air pressure gauge. So I want to show you this one from Milton. This is a classic tire inflator and it works really well. It is super solid. So this is the Milton S506 original service station tire inflator and air pressure gauge. And this has worked really well. It has a 15-inch rubber hose and this can accommodate up to 10 to 160 PSI. It has a very accurate gauge on it, and I love that it has a very classic and sort of retro look to it, but it still works really, really well. This product is extremely heavy duty. You can feel how solid it is. It's going to last forever, and we have had this one for quite a long time, and it is still going strong. So this tool is super simple to use, and we use it with our air compressor to easily inflate a variety of different types of tires, and it works very fast and really, really well. To inflate, you simply use this switch here and you will see that it is inflating and it does an excellent job. So if you're looking for a classic tire inflator and air pressure gauge, I would definitely check this one out from Milton. We've been super happy with it for many years, and that's my point of view.